Hey YouTube, what is going on? The Printer Guy here, and today I'm going to be installing bottled ink on the Epson EcoTank 4800 model. This is remanufactured ink. This is going to be a lot less expensive than the OEM Epson ink. This is what I'm going to be using for the majority of the inks, black through magenta. And then for cyan, I am going to be installing the Epson version of the ink. So that way you know what the configuration is on the bottle. There's a little bit of a difference between the remanufactured ink bottle and the Epson ink bottle. So if you're installing either one of these, you're going to get the instructions here in this video. So stay tuned and you'll see some instructions on how to use bottled ink on the Epson EcoTank 4800. I highly recommend that you use remanufactured ink. The reason is because you're using the same dye ink that the Epson brand is selling. But the difference is you are getting a major discount on the price, and that is because you're just simply buying another brand like my brand, which is Best Printers. We sell high quality ink, amazing quality, but it's going to be at a fraction of the price that you would pay for Epson ink bottles. Luckily, you don't have chips to deal with, so compatibility is totally harmonized. That means that you're not going to have any issues using this remanufactured version of your 522 ink versus your Epson branded ink. And so there's not going to be any problems with you using the product. So as you can see, the way you install these ink bottles is you take the ink bottle, you open up the cap, and then you're going to open up also the compartment for the specific color. Make sure you're matching up the ink bottle with the specific ink color. Now with these remanufactured bottles, very simple, very easy. You're just flipping upside down and you're placing it in the ink compartment so it can fill up the ink tank. Now this is where we're going to use the Epson branded ink bottle, and so you're most likely going to receive this ink when you first buy the printer, so you need to know how to install these ink bottles. Now these ink bottles have a specific pattern on them, and that ensures that you don't put the wrong color in the wrong nozzle. And so you see the difference here with the remanufactured ink versus the Epson ink. That nozzle at the tipping point is going to be a little bit different. The Epson bottle has that pattern on it and the remanufactured ink does not. So other than that, no major differences. It's the same ink once again. It's just a little bit different marketing. And so you're going to flip that upside down, make sure it fits over the nozzle, and if you need to move it up and down, just whatever you do, don't squeeze the bottle. There's no need to do that. You simply are going to adjust it until ink starts to flow from the bottle down into the ink tank. Alright, so there's going to be a link down in the description below for the remanufactured ink I used in this video. Continue on with the setup process with the Epson EcoTank 4800, and you are going to have good results if you follow along following the instructions in this video, along with any other instructions you get from the Epson Smart Panel app or any user manuals that you are using to install the ink and to set up this printer. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.